I am Super Sid. I put my hands over my ears to make it quieter.
Yeah?
And it worked.
Actually, Sid, you use your ears to hear, and you cover them. That's why it got quieter for you.
Interesting. But hey, wait a minute. I could hear Zeke crying and Dad hammering all the way in my room. So how did my ears do that?
Oh, I'll handle this one, Alice. You see, Sid, the noises that Zeke and I made traveled all the way down to your room. Yeah. Here, I'll show you what I mean. You go stand over there.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to head back here and make some noises behind this door. All right?
Yeah.
And are you ready?
Super Sid is ready.
Okay, here I go.
Wow. I can hear you, Dad.
How about that? You heard the hammering all the way over there. Now I just have to fix the dent I made in the door.